Hello everyone, we are from Group 5 and now we are going to present our recount text analysis. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Alicia Renada and I'm here as a narrator. And I'd like to introduce the other member of our group. There are Alfiano Ziko Irvano, Anissa Trisakti, Satria Azakwa, and Shaza Paramita. Here I will explain an outline of recount text. Recount texts are written to retell events with the purpose of informing or entertaining their audience or both.
Hello, I'm Anissa Trisakti and I'm here to explain about generic structure. There are 3 generic structure in recount text. 1. Orientation. 2. Events. 3. Reorientation. We are going to identify this text, and this is the orientation. When I was 16 years old, I went to the United States. I was a student then, and that was the first time I left home. Yaitu who the student or main character when she or he was 16 years old, where United States, what living home.
Cool. And now I'm going to explain about event. Event terdapat pada paragraf kedua sampai paragraf kelima. Di sini kami telah menemukan past simple yang berwarna orange. Yang pertama yaitu scare. Verb satunya adalah scare, terdapat pada kalimat how scared I felt but when all the same. Simple kedua yaitu felt, terdapat verb pertamanya adalah feel, terdapat pada kalimat how scared I felt but I went all the same. Past simple ketiga adalah missed, felt. Yang kedua terdapat pada kalimat after 1 week I felt more confident. Past simple yang ketiga missed. Verb pertamanya adalah miss, terdapat pada kalimat I missed the train from New York to Boston. Past simple yang ketiga adalah arrived, terdapat pada kalimat when I arrived at the family house. Past simple yang keempat terdapat pada past simple keempat adalah lost, terdapat pada kalimat I lost my voice, so nervous I felt. Lost verb satunya adalah lose. Dan past simple selanjutnya adalah verb pertamanya adalah start, terdapat pada kalimat I start to speak a little and the people in the house began to understand me. Pada kalimat ini terdapat juga verb 2 yaitu began, dan verb satunya adalah began. Dan selain past simple terdapat juga simple present yang berwarna biru. Simple present yang pertama adalah remember, terdapat pada kalimat one of the things I remember quite clearly was my arrival. Simple present kedua yaitu know, pada kalimat now I know that was an unconscious way to get familiar with the English they spoke fortunately. Simple present yang terakhir yaitu speak, terdapat pada to speak a little and the people in the house began to understand me.
Hello everyone, my name is Satria Azakwa. Here I will share about what we found in event section, especially on conjunction and temporal sequence. So we focus in green word, yang mana green word adalah conjunction. Di conjunction pertama yang kami temukan ada di kalimat ketiga. Let me read. sentence, how scared I felt, but I went all the same. Jadi but di sini digunakan untuk mengkontraskan dua hal yang berbeda. Lalu konjungsi yang kami temukan selanjutnya adalah although. Di kalimat one of the things I remember quite clearly was my arrival. To start with, I missed the train from New York to Boston. That was trouble, although the family was there to greet me. Jadi konjungsinya adalah although di paragraf yang ini. Lalu konjungsi yang kedua adalah and. Di kalimat fortunately, after 1 week, I felt more confident. I started to speak a little and the people in the house began to understand me. Jadi and di sini digunakan untuk menghubungkan dua hal yang sama. And sekarang we focus in red words. Yang mana red words adalah temporal sequence. Temporal sequence yang pertama yang kami temukan adalah for 2 months di kalimat pertama. I went to Boston to live with an American family for 2 months only. Lalu temporal sequence yang ketiga ada di paragraf ketiga, when I arrived at the family house, I lost my pulse, so nervous I felt. Jadi di sini konjungsi temporal sequence-nya adalah when. Lalu di kalimat selanjutnya ada now I know that was an unconscious way to get familiar with the English they spoke. Dan temporal sequence yang terakhir adalah after 1 week. Di kalimat fortunately after 1 week I felt more confident. I started to speak a little and the people in the house began to understand me. That's all for me, and selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh teman saya.
Hello, I am Syahda Paramita and I am going to explain conclusion in reorientation. Reorientation analysis. The conclusion is a happy ending because he or she feels happy and that is an unforgettable experience. We can see it from the sentence in the reorientation section that describe his happiness. The sentence is, how nice and enjoyable the second week was. The shop were interesting. The vanilla ice cream was wonderful. They were active, and in a short time, new friends were like the old ones. This experience was unforgettable. We think that's all. Thank you to everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss Beta. I will ya, nanti dipotong aja ya, kan ada salah-salahnya. Ini kan di awal aja salahnya. Oke, ulang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss Beta. My name is Dearista Al-Fatina Putri from Group 3. I will introduction my group. The member of Group 3 is Anida Al-Kusna, Ayu Putri Aprilia, Dearista Al-Fatina Putri, Rizka Amalia, dan yang terakhir Zaidan Hanif A. Okay, next. What is recount text? Recount text is a text which to retell and describe things that have happened. Next.
Generic structure of recount text. 1. Orientation. Orientation includes information about who, when, where, what, and why. 2. Events. Event includes information about the sequence of events that took place in the order that they happened. 3. Reorientation. Reorientation tells about what happened in the end.
These are the language feature of the context. They include first, who, when, where, and what. Next, past tense, and the last, conjunction. Jara loved third grade. He had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's rooms. First, they did reading each morning. Jara loved that class. They read great
great story of the story. They could work in their workbooks. That was fun too. But there was one big problem in third grade. They had to multiply in math. Gerald did not want to spend time each day studying the multiplication facts. They said the multiplication facts in class. His parents called out multiplication fact at home. This was not fun for Gerald. He liked to add and subtract. He just had learning the multiplication facts.
Then one morning, Mrs. Harold came into the classroom. She was holding a tape recorder, microphone, and headset. The multiplication was in charge of the lesson that day. Everyone was going to be recording the multiplication fact. Gerald loved this. It was just like being a star holding that microphone. He held it out so everyone could be heard. Mrs. Harold told Gerald to make sure he told the class to go home and study because they would record the lesson again the next day. Gerald went home and learned each and every fact. He wanted to make sure he could answer each one the next day. Multiplication was great fun. The first structure of recon text is orientation. The orientation in the text is found in the following sentence. Gerald loved third grade. He had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's room. Orientation contains who, when, where, what, and why. Who is Gerald? When third grade? Where is Mrs. Harold's room? What is Gerald love third grade? Why is he had the best time each day in Mrs. Harold's room? The past tense in the text in the word love. Verb 1 from of love is love.
In the next structure, we want to tell you sentences that contain verb and conjunction. First, they did reading each morning. Then, some of them were play and they all took turn acting out the story. And the next, that was fun too, but there was one big problem in third grade. And the next, he liked to add and subtract. And the next, then one morning, Mrs. Harold came into the classroom. In the next, she was holding a tape recorder, microphone, and a headset. And the next, Mrs. Harold told Gerald to make sure he told the class to go home and study.
Simple past tense in this text. 1. Gerald loved that class. 2. They said the multiplication facts in class. 3. His parents called out multiplication facts at home. 4. He liked to add and subtract. 5. He just hated learning the multiplication facts. 6. Then one morning Mr. Charlotte came into the classroom. 7. She told Gerald he was in charge of the lesson that day. 8. Gerald loved this. It was just like being a star holding that microphone. 9. He held it out so everyone could be heard.
Okay, now I will change verb 2 to verb 1. in part of events. Loved to love, said to say, called to call, liked to like, hate to hate, came to come, told to tell, held to hold, loved to love, heard to hear. Okay, the next is conjunction.
Next, we have conjunction. What are they? First, and, but, and the last, then.
The last structure of orientation is reorientation. From the story, we can conclude Gerald went home and learned each and every fact. He wanted to make sure he could answer each one the next day. Multiplication was great fun. I will change verb 2 to verb 1. Went to go, learned to learn, want to want. Thank you.
Hey everyone, we are from Group 1 and today we will present you about recontext. Before that, I want to introduce our member. First we have Meliana, then Tiara, Sukma, Anggarini, Salma, and I'm Yasmin. And without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Meliana. I want to introduce about orientation. Who was involved? Becky and Aunt Agatha. What happened? Becky go to Aunt Agatha house. Becky built a sand castle. Becky and Aunt Agatha go swimming in the ocean. Where the events took place? In Aunt Agatha house, a beach on ocean.
Hello everyone, my name is Sukma. Now for the event of the text. So firstly, we have a conjunction. And number 2 is simple present tense and last past tense. So for conjunction, we have a word add and but. Later that morning, Becky and Aunt Agatha went swimming in the ocean. Then they went in the house and ate sandwiches and strawberries for lunch. The pink one was really pretty, but it had a big bow in the back that was too long for the Becky. The blue hat was nice, but it had an ugly bird on it. It was too big for Becky's head, but she didn't care.
Hello everyone, I am Salma and I want to show the verb. Next. The verb 1 of build is build, took, take, went, go, at, eat, wanted, want, told, tell, try, saw, see, and make. Dan sebelahnya ada contoh yang sebelumnya di teks itu berbentuk past tense, kalimatnya ini dirubah menjadi simple present tense. They go to the house and eat sandwiches and strawberries for lunch. Becky wants to play on the beach that afternoon, and Becky does not have a hat.
Hello, I'm Anggarini. Let me explain about past tense. Aunt Agatha took pictures of the castle to send to Becky's parents. And then they went in the house and ate sandwich and strawberries for lunch. Later that morning, Becky and Aunt Agatha went swimming in the ocean. Becky wanted to play on the beach that afternoon. Aunt Agatha told her it was too hot to go outside without a hat on. Becky tried on her hats and That hat was made of straw. The words with bold it show that they verb too. Next.
Hi everyone, my name is Tiara, and now I want to present you about reorientation. Reorientation of this recount text is: Then Becky saw a big brown hat with a big yellow ribbon on it. That hat was made of straw. It was a perfect hat for the beach. It was too big for Becky's hat, but she didn't care. It was a great hat. The ending of this recount text is a happy ending. It is shown from the sentence, it was too big for Becky's hat, but she didn't care. It was a great hat. That's it for today. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. How are you today? I hope you feel grateful and feel comfortable. So today in this meeting, we were going to discuss about our topic is recount text. The member in this team are Chania, Fadli Iksan, Putri Melati, Retno Handayani, and the last Julia Rizkostani. Okay, this is the recount text where we will read the text. Percy Adams lived in the great neighborhood. He had many friends there. Percy woke up one morning and took a long stage. He had a good night and was very rested.
First, he walked in the kitchen and ate a good breakfast. He waited at the door for someone to open it and let him out. He had things to do. Percy walked out and
then he went and checked on his friend, the dog. I was still sleeping and didn't want to go with Percy. Percy walked across the yard and visited the mother bird and her baby. They were fun and were eating some worm from breakfast.
They didn't even look at Percy. They were busy. Percy walked across the street and visited his friend Pupa. Pupa was outside stretched out in the sun. Pupa was glad to see Percy.
They were great friends. Pupa said hello to Percy with a great big meow. Percy gave a meow right back. Percy and Pupa play and wine. They visited their other friends in the neighborhood. It was time to go home. They were tired and it was a good time to take a nap. Next.
Okay, in this recount text, we had orientation, event, conjunction, and reorientation. Let me discuss about orientation first. So, the orientation, the paragraph, or Percy Adam lived in the great neighborhood. He had many friends there. Percy woke up one morning and took a long stretch. He had a good night and was very rested. The identification of orientation: first, who is Percy Adams? Second, where is great neighborhood? Third is when is one morning? And then what is activity of Percy Adams in the morning? Okay, next will my partner.
Percy Adams lived in a great neighborhood. He had many friends there. Percy woke up one morning and took a long stretch. He had a good night and was very rested. First, he walked in the kitchen and ate a good breakfast. He waited at the door for someone to open it and let him out. He had things to do. Percy walked outside and looked around. Everything seemed fine. Then he went and checked on his friend, Al the dog. Al was still sleeping and didn't want to go with Percy. The verb to is live, had, has, woke up, wake up, took, take, had, has, rested, rest, walked, walk, ate, eat, waited, wait, look, look, seem, went, go, check, didn't, don't.
Percy walked across the yard and visited the mother bear and her baby. They were fine and were eating some warm for breakfast. They looked at Percy. They were fussy. Percy walked across the street and visited his friend Bubba. Bubba was outside street out in the sun. Bubba was glad to see Percy. They were great friends. Bubba said hello to Percy with a great big meow. Percy and Bubba played and played. They visited their other friends in the neighborhood. It was time to go home. They were tired and it was a good time to take a nap. Verb 2 walked menjadi verb 1-nya itu walk, visited verb 1-nya visit, where, these are, walked, walk, stretched, starts, where, are, said, is, said, say, played, play, here, verb 1 is tired. Next.
Next conjunction. So I will follow two sentence conjunction. First, one sentence is first, he walked in the kitchen and ate a good breakfast. Sentence 2 is then he went and checked on his friend's older dog. Next.
Reorientation. They were great friends. Bubba said hello to Percy with a great big meow. Percy and Bubba play and play. They visit their other friends in the neighborhood. It was time to go home. They were tired and it was a good time to take a nap. This story has a happy ending because at his first, Percy lived lonely. After he met Bubba, they then play together, so Percy does not feel lonely anymore having a good friend like Bubba. Next. Thank you everyone and see you next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Miss Betaria. We are from Group 4. We will present the result of our analysis of the recount text, generic structure, and language features. Before begin, I will introduce my group. First, 1. Me, Ayu Aisyah Nurkasana. 2. Muhammad Dafa Altadifa. 3. Muhammad Aldi Triansyah. 4. Muhammad Nur Ihsan Haki. And 5. Putri Nurwindasari. Okay. Before go to the result of our analysis, I will explain about recount text. What is the recount text? Recount text is a text which retells events or experiences in the past. Its purpose is either to inform or to entertain the readers. A recount text has an orientation, a series of events in chronological orders, personal remarks on the events, and reorientation that rounds off the sequence of events. Generic structure of recount text. First, orientations tell who was involved. what happened, where the event took place, and when it happened. 2 events, tell what happened in chronological sequence. And 3 reorientations, consist of option closure of event or endings. Next. Okay. For next explanation, will be read by Winda. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Putri Nurwindasari. In this meeting, I will analyze the structure of the recount text. Before I analyze a text, I will read the orientation text aloud. It was a Tuesday morning in April. Anna got up early. She was going to wear her lucky blue skirt to school. She really liked the skirt. She had a new shirt to match it, and new shoes too. After Anna got dressed, she went into the kitchen, where she could smell bacon. Anna's father was making bacon and toast. Anna loved bacon in the morning. Anna's mother was getting ready for work. Anna's mother is a teacher at Anna's school. Anna is in the 2nd grade. And her mother teaches 4th grade. In this orientation text, I will analyze what, where, when, and what. So in this orientation text, the character is named Anna, which is found in the 2nd sentence. Anna wake up early. The setting of the place in the kitchen contained in the sentence. After Anna is dressed, she goes to the kitchen. The time setting is on Tuesday morning in April, which is contained in the 1st sentence, namely, it was Tuesday morning in April. And the description of the beginning of the conflict is found in the last sentence. Anna is in 2nd grade and her mother teacher 4th grade. This was an analysis of the orientation text, so it will be explained later by Aldi and Iksan.
Litriansha, and I'm going to show what is included in the language features on the event section of the recount text. Anna was excited about going to school. Her class was going to take a test to see how much they had learned so far that year. Anna couldn't wait to get to school. Anna sharpened her new pencils for the test. She was going to do her very best on that test. Anna loved school and her mother went to the school. Anna went straight to her classroom. Her teacher, Miss Browner, was already there. It was fun to be in Miss Browner's class. She was a great teacher. Anna's classmates arrived. Okay, for the first sentence, I found there is a past tense in the sentence, that is excited. On the verb 1 is excite. And there is a past tense on the next sentence is learned. The verb 1 is learn. And next, sharpened. On the verb 1 is sharpen. And then loved. On the verb 1 is love. And then when. On the verb 1 is go. And went to. On the last is arrived. On the verb 1 is arrive. Thank you. And will be continued by Ihsan.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Rizanaki, and I will analyze the context. Mrs. Brunner called roll, and then they started the test. Anna tried to remember all the things her teacher had taught her that year, and tried very hard to do everything right on the test. The test took over an hour. The sentence: there are verbs to call. On the verb 1 is call, and then started. On the verb 1 is start. There is tried on the verb 2, and then on verb 1 is try. There is talk, and verb 2 and on verb 1 is talk. There is took on verb 2 and on verb 1 is take. And will be next by Dava.
Hello everyone, my name is Dava, and I will tell you about the orientation. Anna tried to remember all the things her teacher had taught her that year, and tried very hard to do everything right on the test. The temporal sequence that in the text that after and then and the verb 2 that is played gonna be verb 1 to be play, and verb 2 watch. It's gonna be verb 1 watch, verb 2 drew, gonna be verb 1 draw, and the last verb 2 ate, gonna be verb 1 eat. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you. The presentation is over. Thank you for your attention, and thank you guys.